Hello my YouTube friends, Democles Rocha here with you, and today we practice addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. If you support this initiative, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to know about our new videos, subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell. Let's get started. Here we have 2317 plus 4,987. Okay, we start by taking a look here at the ones place. We have 7 plus 7. What is it? If you don't know by heart, you can count. 7, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. That's what we have here in the ones place. 7 plus 7, that is 14. I write 4 from 14 here, and the 1 goes up here to the tens place. Let me erase this so that we can continue. Here in the tens place we have 1 plus 1 plus 8. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And 2 plus 8 equals 10, am I right? So 10. I write 0 from 10 here, and the 1 goes up here. Here I have 1 plus 3 plus 9. I think it is easier if I add first 1 and 9, that gives me 10, and then I add 3. So I have 13 in total. So 9 plus 1 plus 3 equals 13. I write 3 from 13 here, and the 1 goes up here. And then I add 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now I have my result. Let's check with our Google Assistant. What is 2,317 plus 4,987? Didn't get me the first time, let's try again. What is 2,317 plus 4,987? Still not working. I don't think this phone is set to be used in English. But still, we can check, no problem. (2,317) plus 4,987, 7,304. Okay, now we move on to the subtraction. Here we have 10,000 minus 317. We start by looking at the ones place, okay? We cannot take 7 out of 0. What we do is we try to see this as 1,000 here, okay? And we take 1 out of 1,000. This is one way to do it. Taking 1 out of 1,000, now I have only 999 here. The one that I took from 1,000 is worth 10 here. Here I had 0, now I have 10. And then I subtract. What is 10 minus 7? That is equal 3, because 7 plus 3 equals 10. What is 9 minus 1? Well, that is 8. You can say that because 8 plus 1 equals 9. What is 9 minus 3? That is 6. You can say that because 6 plus 3 equals 9. And here I only have 9. So the result is 9,683. And now I will show you another way to do this. We do another subtraction, but equivalent to this one, but that can seem a little easier. What is the whole number that comes right before 10,000? You will say that whole number is 9,999. Am I right? The whole number that comes right before 10,000 is 9,999. And what's the whole number that comes right before 317? You will tell me that number is 316. So we do this subtraction here. And why is it easy? Because here above you only have 9s. So it is easy to subtract. And this subtraction will give you the same result as this one. Check it out. 9 minus 6 equals, let me change the color, equals 3, because 6 plus 3 equals 9. 9 minus 1 equals 8, and you can say that because 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 minus 3 equals 6, you can say that because 6 plus 3 equals 9. And here you only have 9. See, the result is the same. 9,683, the same result that we got here. Now we move to multiplication. We have here 27 times 38. And we start by multiplicating 7 times 8. Do you know by heart what 7 times 8 is? You might not know. So let's write 7 times 8 and then count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have written 2 times 8, but I need 7 times 8. So I'm gonna do it a lot more. I'm gonna repeat this a few times more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have how many times? 6 times 8. So we need only one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have written 7 times 8, and I will count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's mark as we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, again, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. This is our answer. We can now say that 7 times 8 equals 56. Okay? Since the result is 56, I write 6 here and the 5 goes up here. Now, 7 times 3, that's what we multiplicate now. That's what we multiply now. 7 times 3 equals 21. If you don't know that by heart, you just do like we did it here. You just count, okay? 7 times 3 equals 21, and 21 plus 5, that will give you 26. I write it here. And then we move on. We multiply now by 2. What is 2 times 8? 2 times 8, that is 16. I write 6 from 16 here at the bottom of this column, and the 1 goes up here. And now I multiply 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. I add 1 and I find 7. That is what I write here. We are almost done. All we need is just to add. Let me erase this and let me continue. Here I have only 6. I will use blue. Here I only have 6. Here, 6 plus 6 equals 12. I write 2 from 12 here, and the 1 goes up here. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 7 equals 10. That's what I write here. So the result is 1026. Let's see if Google Assistant will help us now, so we can check the result. What is 27 times 38?
The answer is 1026.
Now it worked. I will try again this subtraction here. What is 10,000 minus 317? 10,000 minus 317. Nope. Not working at all. 10,000 minus 317. It's just like this. It doesn't seem to work. Okay, we move on. Now we have here a division. 564,235 divided by 7. 564,235, that's our dividend, the value we will divide, and 7 is the divisor. Before we start the division, it's good if we know the multiplication table of the divisor, and that is 7. In this case, in this situation, the divisor is 7. So I will write down here the multiplication table of 7, okay? If you support this initiative, you can share this video with your friend, and also, if you want, you can leave a comment with a suggestion for our next operations, okay? This channel is just beginning, so if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment, and that comment is very likely to appear in a new video, okay? I will be happy to see the first comments in this channel. I have a big channel about mathematics, but in Portuguese, and I'm just starting this one about mathematics in English. So I won't tell people from my other channel about this channel here. I want this channel to grow in English-speaking countries. So let's continue, and I gotta be patient. I understand that. What is 0 times 7? That's not even once 7, so it is 0. And here 1 times 7 is just 7. And we can keep adding 7, 7, 7 to find the next results, okay? If you need, you can count. But 7 plus 7 equals 14. 3 times 7, that's 21. You just have to add 7 here. The next result is 28, and then follows 35, and then 42, and then 49. The next one is 56, and then finally we have 63, okay? With the multiplication table of 7 on the side, doing this division becomes very easy. We take a look at the first digit. It's 5, is less than 7. We do not start yet. we group it with the next digit. Now we have 56. And then we ask the question, how many times does 7 go into 56? You have the multiplication table available here, and you can tell me that the answer is 8. 8 times 7 equals 56. I write it here. And then what do I do next? I subtract. 56 minus 56 equals 0. After subtraction, I bring down the next digit. It is 4. And I still ask the question, how many times does 7 go into 4? You will say that not even once. So the answer is 0. I write 0 here. 0 times 7 equals 0. I write it here, and then I subtract. What is 4 minus 0? Still 4. Okay? Some teachers do not show this step here. And because of that, many people forget to write the 0 here. Okay? So don't forget to write down this step. Okay? After a subtraction, you bring down the next digit. It is 2 this time. Now I have here 42. And I ask the question, how many times does 7 go into 42? You take a look at the multiplication table. You see that the number of times that 7 goes into 42 is 6. So I write 6 here. 6 times 7 equals 42. I write it here. And then I subtract. What is 42 minus 42? That's easy. You will say it's 0. After a subtraction, I bring down the next digit, and it is 3. Okay, and then I ask the question, how many times does 7 go into 3? You will say that not even once again. So the number that I will write here is 0. 0 times 7 equals 0. I write it here, and then I subtract. 3 minus 0, it is still just 3. After a subtraction, we bring down the next digit. It is 5. I write it here. Now we have 35. How many times does 7 go into 35? You check the multiplication table and you tell me that the number we are looking for is 5. I write it here. 5 times 7 equals 35. I write it here, and then I subtract. 35 minus 35, 0. There are no other digits to bring down, and the remainder is 0. This is an exact division. We can now say that 564,235 divided by 7 equals 80,605. Let's see if Google Assistant will help us now. 564,235 divided by 7. Nope, it thinks I am speaking Portuguese. I gotta change the language here. But I will check using a calculator. Okay? 564,235 divided by 7, and the result is really 80,605. We got it. So if this video was helpful to you, leave a comment with a smiley face. Okay? I don't think that I checked this one. 10,000 minus 317. Yet we got it, 9,683. And the first one, 2,317 plus 4,987 equals 7,304. We got all of them right. We gotta practice. Practice makes perfect. Don't forget that. So I hope I will see someone here with us tomorrow, okay? With a new section of extra practice. Thank you for your time. That's it for today. You have a nice day. Bye.